Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put a white background on Instagram story using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app, and then I'm going to show you how to do this, okay? So just go ahead and capture or take any pictures, random picture, and then click on these three little dots on the upper right corner of your screen, and then click draw. And then here you want to click on the color white on the lower part of your screen, and then just long press it on your screen, okay, so that your background becomes white. And then after that, you want to click on this sticker option on the upper part of your screen beside the text button. Then just scroll down until you see this image option, and then choose any pictures that you want. And then there you have it. You have white background on your Instagram story. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.